The Tour 110 Professionalism and Civility course bridges that gap between the academic setting to a professional career setting where students are now all of a sudden expected to establish a professional image and conduct themselves in a way that is suitable for the workplace environment. Professionalism, civility, and dining etiquette are important for many industries, but especially important for students entering the tourism, events management, and hospitality industry. We are training students for careers that AI will not be able to take away. AI will not be able to replace the way you make a guest feel as they are greeted when they're walking into a venue. Our industry really relies on our ability to professionally engage with people, make those emotional connections, and create memorable experiences. The Immersive Etiquette Dinner teaches students the proper protocols which reduce their anxiety of making a mistake in their dining mechanics. Students feel less self-conscious and can be fully engaged in the networking or interviewing aspects of their dining experience. Being able to collaborate with Chartwells on this etiquette dinner has given us the opportunity for students to witness and actively participate in the execution of a professionally catered 4-course meal. Developing and applying those skills makes students more experienced, more polished, and more marketable, which can really set them apart in a competitive job market. If you're interested in learning more about this course or about the Tourism and Events Management program, please check us out at the link below.